Exocrine Pancreatic Insufficiency Diet. If you have exocrine pancreatic insufficiency, figuring out what to eat can be tricky. You need to make sure you're getting enough nutrients and vitamins, but you also need to avoid foods that irritate your digestive tract. On top of this, some conditions associated with it, like cystic fibrosis, Crohn's disease, celiac disease, and diabetes, have additional special dietary requirements. Fortunately, a balanced diet combined with enzyme replacement therapy can help ease your symptoms and improve your quality of life. Here are some tips and recommendations to keep in mind if you have fats may be fine. In the past, doctors recommended that people with a low-fat diet. This is no longer the case because your body needs fats to absorb certain vitamins. Avoiding fat can also make weight loss associated with it more severe. Taking enzyme supplements allows most people with it to eat a diet with normal, healthy fat levels. When choosing meals, remember not all fats are created equal. Make sure you're getting enough essential fats. Avoid highly processed foods and those high in trans fat, hydrogenated oils, and saturated fat. Instead, look for foods that contain monounsaturated fat, polyunsaturated fat, and omega-3 fatty acids. Olive oil, peanut oil, nuts, seeds, and fish such as salmon and tuna all contain healthy fats. Eat a varied diet. Since your body has difficulty absorbing nutrients, it's extra important that you choose foods with a balanced mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. A diet rich in vegetables and fruits is a great place to start. Seek out minimally processed foods. Cooking from scratch will help you avoid processed foods and deep-fried foods, which often contain hydrogenated oils that will be hard for you to digest. Avoid a fiber-rich diet. While eating lots of fiber is typically associated with a healthy diet, if you have too much fiber can interfere with enzyme activity. Foods like barley, peas, and lentils are higher in fiber. Brown rice, certain breads, and carrots are lower in fiber. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water will help your digestive system run smoothly. If you have diarrhea caused by it will also prevent dehydration. Avoid alcohol. Years of heavy alcohol use can increase your likelihood of pancreatitis and reduce your chances of further damaging your pancreas by limiting your alcohol intake. Eat smaller portions throughout the day. Eating large meals makes your digestive system work overtime. You're less likely to have uncomfortable symptoms of it if you eat small portions 3 to 5 times per day, as opposed to having 3 large meals. Talk to your doctor about supplements. Certain vitamins are more difficult for your body to absorb when you have it. It's important to talk to your doctor about which supplements are right for you. Your doctor may prescribe vitamin D, A, E, and K supplements to prevent malnutrition. Stick to your enzyme replacement plan. If you're taking enzyme replacements for your it's important that you take them during every meal to avoid malnutrition and other symptoms. Talk to your doctor if enzyme replacement therapy isn't working. Plan ahead. Planning ahead for meals and snacks on the go will make it easier to avoid foods that aggravate your digestive system. Consult with a dietitian. If you have questions about your diet, consider consulting with a registered dietitian. They can teach you how to cook healthy, affordable meals that work for your dietary needs. If you have conditions related to it such as diabetes, cystic fibrosis, or inflammatory bowel disease, you should work with a nutritionist to find a meal plan that fits all of your health needs. Experiment. Everyone has different food tolerances. If your diet isn't working for you, talk to your doctor or nutritionist about other options. The takeaway. While these tips serve as a starting point, you should work with your doctor or a dietitian to create a plan tailored to your specific needs and conditions.